What's the apocalypse? A lot of people understand that word as being the end. It's actually going to be the end of this world order. And I've got a recommended book. It's called The Reapers. At the end of days, there's going to be a final reckoning when seraphim, or the burning ones, will be released. And why they're going to be released is not being taught by the pastors. It's because they've broken the everlasting covenant, the Ten Commandments. And they're not teaching the Ten Commandments. They've been taught since Marcion in the 2nd century that the commandments were done away with. But they haven't been. You're supposed to be living by them. This is the book, Reapers, the coming of the seraphim on the day of Yahuwah. I'm going to read the back cover to you, and that'll be the end of this video. On an appointed day, the earth will be harvested. False teachers have misled millions, because the reapers will remove the weeds first. That's written in a parable at Matthew 13, verse 30. Yahusha's Natsarim are here to proclaim the message before the great and awesome day of Yahuwah. Malachi 4, verses 4 through 6. But read all of Malachi 4, verses 1 through 6. For look, the day shall come, burning like a furnace. That's like a crematorium. And all the proud and every wrongdoer shall be stubble. Every wrongdoer, that reflects what we see at Revelation 22. And the day shall come shall burn them up, says Yahuwah, Sabaoth, Malachi 4, verse 1. The elements shall melt with intense heat. 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 10. Ahead of them a fire has consumed, and behind them a flame burns. Before them the land is like the Garden of Eden, and behind them a desert waste. And from them there is no escape. The seraphim are coming soon to eradicate the lawless from the earth. And I also want to recommend another book to explain to your family what's gone wrong. There's a little guy with a Christmas tree pumpkin head. And it's called Spiritual Captivity, How to Tell Your Family. And it's a kind way of explaining to them why you're obeying the commandments, and you're not going to be judging them, that they need to change quickly, because the end is very near. Thanks for watching, and try to like and share this. I mean, what can it hurt? Except to show me as a big heretic or something, and that's fine with me. I love you, and that's why I do this work. Thank you.